Tapos may nag-text sa akin, tapos I read the message, tapos hindi ko na sabihin yung message. Pero he knew na, without me telling him, kung ano yung mararamdaman ko about.
Nasaan ka dun sa message na yon? Tapos, parang naka-empathize and right away was compassionate about it.
It's the connection.
Oh,
Yes.
I like it talaga. O, tuloy mo.
Okay, Mickey.
Ikaw.
But like inside the house, compared now, wala nag-iba. Yung maganda sa kanya is that she's like, I enjoy her more sa labas. Because she's like with all her failures, mas kalog pa siya sa labas.
She's crying.
Ba't naman? Saan ka? Are you okay? Ha?
Natouch naman.
Kasi nandyan siya para sa'yo.
Yeah, and yun nga, nagulat ako kasi I didn't have to say anything or you didn't even have to see my face, but he knew how I feel about the...
You must be soulmates.
Yes!
Diba? Without having to say words, nagkakaintindihan kayong dalawa. So what are you waiting for?
Yeah. Pakilamera kami dalawa. Eric, ikaw, anong na-feel mo na sana ma-discover sa'yo na hindi pa na-discover para talagang magkaroon ka ng long-lasting relationship? Ano yung quality mo talaga? Na alam mo it's there pero hindi pa na-unearth?
Siguro passionate ako sa when it comes to my feelings, talagang pinaninindigan ko.
So, kailangan makahanap ka ng kagaya ni Yayo na paninindigan niya. Let's pray. Magbabalik po ang
Boy!
Ed Chris!